All right, let's talk about buffalo chicken dip. It's one of those recipes that people can't stop eating at a party, and for good reason. It's creamy, spicy, cheesy, basically all the things your taste buds love colliding in one bite. The perfect buffalo chicken dip hinges on three things: the texture, the heat level, and the balance of ingredients. Get even one of those wrong, and it's a waste of perfectly good chips. But when it's right, it's unstoppable. Here's what you'll need: shredded cooked chicken, about 2 cups, cream cheese, ranch dressing, Frank's Red Hot sauce, shredded cheddar cheese, and a sprinkle of blue cheese crumbles. Pro tip: rotisserie chicken saves so much time here. Start by softening an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. Leave it on the counter for about 15 minutes. It spreads like butter once it hits room temperature. Trust me, this step makes mixing everything 10 times easier. Mix the softened cream cheese with a half cup of ranch dressing, half cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar. Key here? Use a whisk or fork. Don't just dump and stir. Incorporating air gives it that perfect consistency. Add your shredded chicken into that creamy, spicy mixture. Stir it all together until it's evenly coated. If it doesn't look appetizing yet, have patience. Once it bakes, it transforms into molten, cheesy magic. Pour everything into a baking dish. 9x9 works great. Sprinkle a little extra cheddar on top for good measure. Even better, throw on some crumbled blue cheese if you like that extra tang. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. The moment it comes out of the oven, it should be bubbling, golden, and filled with the scent of everything you love. Let it cool for a few minutes. If you've ever burned your tongue on molten cheese, you know why. Pair it with sturdy dippers. Tortilla chips and celery are the classics, but don't sleep on carrot sticks and toasted baguette slices. Pro tip: ruffled potato chips can hold a shocking amount of this dip. No judgment if that's your go-to. If you're meal prepping or hosting, this dip can totally be made a day ahead. Just mix everything together, cover it, and refrigerate it. When you're ready, bake it off and prepare for greatness. Pain point: reheating leftovers to the same perfection. Trick: low heat and patience, either on the stove or in the oven. Microwaving murders the texture, so avoid it if you can. Why this works? It's comfort food with edge. A mix of creamy, spicy, and savory that hits every food lover's trigger. Plus, it's effortless to upgrade. Swap ranch for Greek yogurt if you feel virtuous, or add bacon for pure indulgence. There you have it, the buffalo chicken dip blueprint to rule every gathering. Watching people creep back for seconds and thirds, that's the true mark of success. Now go forth and melt some cheese.